Thank you for introduction. My name is Ryusuke Kuroki, and we talked about session 3. In session 3, presentators mentioned these SDGs goals, and today we discussed this relationship, focused on goal 1, 7, 11, and 13. And we selected some targets from these goals, 2 targets from each goals, and we used all goal 1 target. And we talked, are there any co-benefit, neutral, or trade-off? And this is our opinion. It is context depending, but in our discussion, there was an opinion about these targets. We think target 1.1 and goal 7's target 7.1 and 7.2 is co-benefit if it is context depending. And when we can say this is co-benefit, this is the context we think. First, achieve goal 7.1 by ensuring the access to energy. It could help to reduce poverty. And if renewable energy production in local scale have potential to create income to reduce poverty. And this is also context depending, but we think target 1.1 and target 11.6 is a trade-off, we can think. Why we think this is trade-off? This is our context. If consumption structure remains same, more service to reduce the poverty, but will have more impact on environment. And one important element in evaluating them is distribution of resources. For example, where the tax gathered by government give to where and benefit whom. Like this, this is our opinion, and one of our results, we have to consider directions, context, area, governance, and economics when we think relationship these goals and target. Thank you very much.